Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to repair a corrupted MS Office app on your machine. With this app, press the Window button and then I button on your keyboard to reach the Windows setting, and then click on the Apps group, and on the Apps group, click on Apps in Feature, and then on the rightmost menu come to Programs and Feature. If I click on this link, the list of apps installed on my machine is opened, and here is Microsoft Office 365 apps. If I right click on this icon, a list of two options, the one uninstall and the other change, uh, is opened, and I click on change. It take me to this window. Quick repair fixes most issue quickly without the need for an internet connection. So it is always suggested to first use this option because it is quick, needing no internet, and might repairs the error in the app. However, if it doesn't work, you need to select online repair, and the online repair fixes all the issue. However, it takes a little longer. If I click on the repair option, the system will begin to repair the apps. However, there is no register issue with my apps, therefore I don't click on this and I just cancel this. So this way you can repair if there is an error in any of your app in Microsoft Office. Thanks for watching.